Hello everyone and greetings of the day. In my today's lecture series, I would like to discuss about the very important topic in the area of marketing management, which is very important from the practical point of view. As you know that the companies are using the numerous phrases of the products which they are offering to the customer, and during the promotional methods they are using certain sentences which we are calling the phrases. So in these today's days, a very important thing is that a appropriate message is required while we are just comparing the quality of the product and the desire of the customers about that product is concerned. So in this lecture, I would like to highlight some of the effective marketing phrases for your ready references, which will help you out to make you understand well about the practical scenarios in the field of marketing. So the first phrase is the company sometimes using no obligations required. Yes, whenever the companies are offering certain kind of products to the customers and claiming that there is no obligations required while you are purchasing the goods in terms of guarantee, especially in the case of the financial services. So this is important phrase. Second important phrase is cancel anytime, especially in the case of online marketing and the e-commerce platforms. Various companies are ensuring the customers, if you want to purchase the product online, you can cancel that product anytime and there will be no extra charges from you. So this is the another phrase which is prominently used by the e-commerce companies now. It is another important phrase is money back guarantee. Yes, companies are offering the money back guarantee promotional efforts to the customers, and they are ensuring the customers that if they found any kind of problems in the products, then they can get the money back out of the products they want to replace, and that is the assurance from the company side, which is the most effective phrase also. Next phrase is feel the lowest price. As the competition is going day by day and the companies are basically providing the low cost products to the customers, and they are claiming that in their advertisement, feel the lowest price. Next is the prices cut in half. So during the various promotional efforts done by the companies, especially in the case of sales promotion, which is the limited period offer in terms of incentives given by the companies are claiming that prices cut in half and hurry up. You have to hurry to buy the product now if you want to avail the facilities of this prices cut in half. Next phrase is save money now. Again, the companies are assuring the customers, and this customers are instigating the companies are instigating the customers rather that hurry up, you can buy now and save money now. Next phrase is best price. Yes, we are offering the best price as compared to competitors. This again the important phrase used by the various marketing practitioners. Next phrase we have the special offer. Yes, sometimes the companies are providing the special offers on the various products categories, and this is again a promotional, we can say the incentives which are being provided by the companies to their customers. So special offer is another phrase which is the this attracting way of for the from the company's point of view to their products categories. Next phrase is free shipping. Again, from the perspective of the e-commerce point of view, or if we wants to buy a product from any company, then there will be a free shipping offers done by the companies, and this is again a incentive, kind of incentive from the point of view of the customers, which is provided by the companies. So free shipping again is the important phrase. Next we have the free trial. Obviously the free word gives these certain kind of psychological impact in the mind of the customers, that they are giving certain free things by use of the certain products. So free trial are provided by the companies, and no cost is availed by the companies if you want to avail the facility of these products. So these are the some of the important phrases which are used by the companies to market their products, or to do the promotional campaign for their products, and to attract the attention of the customers. I'll be coming with the more phrases, more important phrases in my next lecture. Till then, take care and be safe.